Good morning, children. Today we are discussed about ideas of development. Ideas of development. Everybody to take the ideas for the purpose of development. For the purpose of development, even schools also, institutions also, are that like any organization to take a decision for the development of the institution side. Same that the district magistrate also there, the state that like who are the rule the state also there, and like in country there. Okay, so who are the rule that like a country there also to take that like a good ideas for the development of entire the nation, entire the nation, right? One more example. For example, you are studying that like a 10th class for the purpose of that like a good points are like a 10 by 10 or that like a yes good points. You have that like a idea to follow that like a yes idea elders ideas also teachers ideas also to reach your development, your development there. Everybody have that like a some aspirations, every institution also there. For example that like a government also there, that like a 5 years plan there. First year they have some goals, some aspirations. So below completed that like this year they will yes try to fulfill that like aspirations. Okay, so like that every person, every individual or group also, institution also, or that like a political party also there. Okay, family also there to take that like a right decision for the development of yes society, development of family, development of the individual, development of school, development of the country also there. Okay, that is so we have aspirations about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Similarly, we have ideas about what the country should be like, what are the like essential things we are required, can the life better for all that. Every person have that like aspirations. Sometimes we are asking that like yes, questions also there. So what is your aspiration? Yes, my aspiration. I become a doctor there. I become the lawyer. I become a policeman. I become a yes collector. I become a yes political leader. So like that, every person have that like a yes aspirations. Even that like a farmer also there. This year, yes, my target to produce it like a 40 quintal that or like a yes 50 quintal or that like a 30 quintal also there. Okay, and institution also there. They have a aspiration. Yes, we are that like a better than to that like a other institution when they are compared with that like a other one there. So everyone they have aspirations. Everyone have the aspirations. So what development promises different people, different goals? What developments, what development, what development promises, promise, promises different people, different, different people and different goals, different, different, different goals. Okay, what development promises different people, different goals. For example, that like in this class, there is a 30 members. 30 members are have that like a yes, they don't have that like a same goals. Each one, every students also they have that like a different goals. every person different to that like a other one guy. Okay, when we are compared with that like a others also, there is some similar differences between that like a two also, right? So that's why here they different people, yes, different people have that like a different goal set. Different people, different goal set. And like a development promises, development promises that yes, government also they are promised to that like yes, this year that we will provide to that like some developmental activities for entire that like constancy, entire the constancy. Yes, they are also looking for that like fulfill their promise in the constancies also that like yes, from that like a ward level to that like a panchayat level or municipality level, at that like a district level also, Jay. Let us try to imagine what development or like a progress is like to mean the different person listed in that like a mean able one. What are their aspirations? You will find that like a yes columns also, right? For example, they given that like a yes different persons different goals. Here they given a different categories are that like a developmental goals, developmental goals, developmental goals of different categories, of different different categories. What is it? Different categories of persons, of persons. So here category of persons, category category of of person, developmental goals and aspirations, developmental goals and aspirations, aspirations. Okay, so here now we are discussing about that like a categories of people. What is their development that? What is their aspirations? What they are that like expected that? What they want? What they want that? Like here the landless rural labors, landless rural labors, landless laborers. Okay, so what is the goal? What is their aspiration? Right? They want that like a more days of that like a work on that like a better wages. One is the what is that like a goal day? What is the aspirations? They want more working days. They want more working days. For example, today onwards that like a yes, that village people are that like a who are that like a live in that like a yes village level day. They are looking for that like a work day. Because of that, yes, all that works are so completely yes closer because of the effect of that like a yes coronavirus COVID-19. So that's why people they are looking for that like a yes more working days, and also they are looking to that like a what is it better wages, better wages. Even that like who are that like working in that like any institutions, any person, either organized sector or that like unorganized sector are there. But most of that like unorganized sector people, they are looking for that better wages. Here we are discussed the land less. In rural areas, the people also we are find it like a yes, 2.5 acres, 1.5 acres, 1 acres, and half acres, 3 acres. Okay, 2 acres, it is not that like a fulfill to provide the employment to that like a that levels also there. So they are called that like a land less. Land less. Okay, these are also that like a, when they are completed that like a work also, they are working in that like a other field, work like a yes, agriculture labor job. Agriculture labor. To have that like a 2 acres or that like a 1 acre of that land job. After complete their work, because of that, these 1 acre is not provided to that like a fully employment to that like a 365 of days. That's why they are the work like a agriculture labor into the other field. So here the landless labor they want days, more working days are better wages, better wages. This is the aspiration of landless rural landless rural labors, and also the local school is that like able to provide the quality education for their children. There is a no social discrimination, and they too can become that like a leaders in that like a village. And one more day, how that along with that like they want that like a more working days and better wages, say better wages. They want that like a better education to their children, say and local, local in local day in local schools provide better provide quality education, quality quality education, and also another one that like a there is a no social discrimination. There is a no social discrimination. You know that like some of that areas also previously last year, Jay, we go to that like our yes west of that like a Prakasam also, Jay. One village, it is very yes far of that like a yes it is also, Jay. That like a local people they show that like a yes discrimination there. This is only means that actually that is that like a yes government school, Jay, who are that like a yes persons who have that like a power in that like a local people there. Yes, they show the discrimination there. Don't come to that like a yes the backward class students do not attend to that like a yes this school that don't they are not willing to that like a these people sit beside the children's so that's why yes there is a some discrimination between that like a yes lower caste and that like a upper caste also, yeah. Lower caste and upper caste. So here like a not social discrimination, no social discrimination. Yes, we are all equal there. They want that like a yes, provide the quality education there. They want that what is it? Provide quality education to their children in village level, their local level also there. So this is the aspiration or that like a developmental goals of landless rural labors. First one, more working days. And next one, what is a better ways? Without money, we are not survive our life also. Right? It's not possible. Compulsory, yes, money is the very, very important. Even today on, we are that like a fulfill our requirements in our families also. We have that like a yes requirement. Money is the very very important. Money is that like a requirement. That's why we purchase that like everything with the help of that like a money day. So here more working days. When they have that like a more working days there means that they got that like a employment day. When they will do that like a work there, they are earning money there. Earning money with the help of that like a money day. They survive a day, life day. They survive a day, life. That's why they are there expecting. They want more working days. And next one that like what is a better wages say. Even today onwards that our government also there. Any institution compulsory based on that like a 1948 day. Yes, according to that like a minimum wage act. Minimum wage act there. Every institution also to provide that like a wages based on minimum wage act there based on minimum wage. You find that like some of the institutions they are not provide that like a yes based on minimum wage act. They provide that like what is that low wages than to that like a minimum wage act. And also school quality education day, quality education, and there is no discrimination. We are understanding that some of that like a yes, these people who are the living that like a rural areas, they will face that like a discrimination in their village level there. That's why no discrimination. They want that like a no discrimination, quality education, and like a better wages are that like a more working days. And second one, like a prosperous farmers. Prosperous farmers. Second one, some persons. Prosperous, prosperous, prosperous farmers. Prosperous farmers. So, what is a goal? What is their aspiration? What is a aspirations? Like a here they like here, how is that like a landless laborers? The landless laborers, how is the landless labor? They want that like a mourn. They have that like a aspiration day. Prosperous farmers, what is there that like a aspirations? Ensure that like a high family income through that like a higher support prices for their crops and to that like a hard working and like a cheap labors they should be able to settle their children abroad. So here, prosperous farmers, you know that like in village level there, we are not find out that like yes, we find that like some of the people there, they are yes prosperous farmer. They have that like what is a more than 20 acres of that like a land also there. They have they maintain that like what is in previous class also that like in sixth class. Okay, Chandrayage, you have that like what is that? Chandulal, tractor also there, threshing floor also there, and also yes, you have that like what is a and that a motor pump set also. Each and everything you have there. Many people they take that like a these things from that like a Chandulal there, and also he collect that like a money from that like a who want to get the service from his things only. Okay, so prosperous farmers. Prosperous farmers, they want that like what is a yes, better that like a not better that high prices, high prices for the crop day. Today that like a somehow that like a people are sujay, they are buy that like all that like a michi from that like a yes rural farmers. They're like a yes low rate day. The farmers also they sell to that product to that like a, these farmers also the prosperous farmer because of that farmer like a yeah they don't have that like a storage facility also right and also they are not waiting for that like a who are the, to give that like a loan to that like a, these people the banks also money lenders also or that like a their local relatives also right always they are squeezy they are looking for that like a yes how we are collect the money from that like a yes farmers say so that's why they sell their crop. They sell their like a they yes agriculture product also there. with low prices for low prices. So here, prosperous farmers like a high prices, high prices for the agriculture product, agriculture, agriculture product, agriculture product, and another one they want that like what is a that they are looking for that like a cheap labors, looking for cheap labors, cheap labors, and also what is the another one there? Another goal there. Yes, the children also they are settled into abroad. The children's settle in abroad. Yes, we have also there. Every family member also, every person also there. Yes, my children's. What is that? We are looking there. Yes, settle in that like abroad, the settle into that like America, settle into that like where is it? Yes, Bogda or like yes, different country. Today onwards that like yes, most of that like the good, well qualified, the professionals they are that like a settle into developmental country. Development countries also they settle there. They are settled there. Like here also, the prosperous farmers also they are looking for what is that high prices for the yes agriculture products, and also they looking for that like a yes cheap labor, and next one yes the children's settle into abroad. These are the aspirations of prosperous farmers. Like these two are the different like landless laborers are that like a prosperous farmers. Okay, so different person, different goals, different person, different goals. How we are that like in class, in this class, all that like a 10th class students, different students, different goals, different yes goals. Yes, everybody have that like a different goal. When we are compared with that like others, there is no same. It's very rare. It's very rare day. So that's why here different person, different goals, different person, different aspirations. Next one, like here, that a farmers who depend only on rain for that, like a growing crops. Next one, next one, who are depend on who are they? The farmers who depend only the farmers, the farmers the farmers who who depend depend only on rain, only on rain for growing crops, for growing crops. Okay, they don't have that like a yes, we are understanding the farmer who are depend on only rain day. We are discussing that like a previous class also. Yes, sister class where there is a place on like a yes, Salkam Cheru are that like a yes, Penamukuru that these two are that like a different places. These two are different places. Penamukuru is that what is there is a yes, plenty of that like a water for plenty of water there, either like agriculture purpose also, that like a domestic purpose also there. There is no water problem there. Up to 15 feet, or that like a 10 feet, when we are dig the land 0 to that like a 10 feet also, we get the water in Penamapuru village. Because of that is that like a located in the bank of that like a yes, Krishna, the bank of Krishna Jai, and also always water is available. Water is available where there is a place of Salkam Cheru Jai. It is located into that like a Deccan Plateau Jai. There is no water facility. There is no any water channel or that like a river also, canal also. They are depend on rain only. Depend on rain only. So the farmers who depend on only rain. Example of the that Salkam Cheru agriculture farmers. Salkam Cheru agriculture farmers. For the purpose of the growing crops, they depend on only rain. Only rain. So what is a yes demand? What is it like a yes? What is it? Yes, goals are Sujay. And like what is their aspirations? What is it? Aspiration like here how that like a irrigation facilities are to be yes provided by that like a government and yes government right? What is it? Provide irrigation facilities, irrigation irrigation facility by government, by yes government. What is it? Facilities, the irrigation facilities, the irrigation facilities by government. So farmers also they are that like what is it? Yes, they want that like irrigation facilities. This is the very, very important. Who are the depend on that like only the rain for growing crops, right? Yes. What is their aspiration? They want their aspiration provide that like irrigation facilities by that like a government provide the irrigation facilities to that like these types of that like people, and also they want that like another one day. MSP. What is it? MSP is a minimum. What is it? Yes, minimum support price. Minimum support price. This is also that like a yes, very, very important. Because of some of that like a yes, rural areas farmers also there losses that like what is it? Prices also there. They're that like a yes, they do that like a hard work day. Okay, after complete that like a harvest, when they are that like a sell to that like a, that traders also sell to that like a businessman also day. Yes, they are asking very low. I say very low for the yes prices also day. They are that like a selected day. These prices also day. When we see that like in trade in agriculture day in sixth class or that like a seventh class also there. Some of that like the mediators also come to that like a visit there where there is a heap of that like the farmers say they check that like a yes farmer the product of that yes farmer agriculture product they take that like a what is that sample, and also they tell oh this is not good quality there, that's why we are that like a yes fix the rate also there. They is it like a sell these rate there 1,000 rupees or that like a 6,000 or that like a 5,000 also there, but actually the rate agriculture market also that like there is a 10,000, but in local there the traders also they buy that like agriculture goods from the farmer side. Very low prices, very low prices. So that's why these people who are the depend on that like a yes only rain for the growing crops. They want minimum support price. First one irrigation facilities they want there. And next one that like what is that? Yes, minimum support price also there. Like today that like our government also they provide that like a MSP is there. Fixed there. Minimum support price. Any person government to fix that like for example 1 quintal of that like a mirchi is 7,000. This is that like a yes minimum support price. Okay, fix that. Who are that like a yes, buy that like a, all that like a agriculture product from that like a farmers, eh? They are not. Buy that like a yes, below 7,000, eh? Above the 7,000, above the 7,000, eh? So government also to provide that like these types of facilities, these types of yes facilities, eh? And also type of facilities. And next one that like a and provide that like a yes loan at that like a cheap rate. And one more day like a another provide loans, provide loans with cheap rate, cheap and cheap yes cheap rate that a rate of a rate of cheap yes rates in that like in case of that like any yes doubt yes cheap rate or that like a low interest, not cheap that like a low interest, provide that like a loans with low interest, low interest for that like a yes their amount also yes low interest. Because of that like a in rural level that like a yes the money lenders also they collect that like a high interest from that like a yes agriculture farmers in rural level rural areas also Jay. So 100 rupees they collect that like a 3 rupees also 2 rupees also sometimes that like a based on that like a, the farmer based on that like a, the farmer interest money lenders they collect that like a sometimes that like a 5 rupees also interest collected from the farmers also Jay. Okay, so they pay lot of the money there. They are not that like a, what is it? They are not that like a save any amount of that like a man. Most of that like a money there. Most of that like a, what is it? That agriculture product money. They submitted it. They give that like a these money lenders also. So that's why they provide that like a yes loan with that like a low interest, provide that like a these types of that facilities by that like a yes banks of government also Jai. And also a rural women from a land owning family Jai. Another one a rural women a rural a rural women a rural woman a rural woman from a land owning family owning family owning family right. We find that like a somehow that like a small farmers also right in rural areas. In lower classes also, we find that like a is where there is a place of that like a Venkatapuram there. There is a yes, large farmers, medium farmers, and like a small farmers, and like a yes, land. Okay, yes, we find that like yes, labors also there. Agriculture, workers also, we find that like in rural areas, large farmers, small farmers, and next one, land. Okay, laborers, these types of that like yes, three people there. Here, a rural women. So what is the aspiration of that like these rural women there? And that like the loan should be available with that like a reasonable rate of that like a interest. And also government what is it? Schools government yes government schools with that like a yes, no face for that like a what is a yes like a what is a provided like a yes here provided the banks also to provide the loan to that like a women. Okay, there is a yes low interest side. This is also that like a yes the aspiration of the women also right. And also another one that like what is a who are the studied in that like a schools also right. Okay, don't collect that like a school fees also right. That is the aspiration of that rural rural women day. Next one, urban unemployed youth day. Urban unemployed youth day. So need learn from that like a learn from that like a what is it? Give the self-employment schemes also right. Urban areas for the purpose of what is it? Youth people also right, who are living that like a yes urban areas. They want that like a money also there for the purpose of self-employment. Right? They run that like a small business also there. For example, to maintain that like a yes cell repairs also there. Or that like a yes little J. Okay, so they want that like a loan facility from that like a government also. Yeah, that is a aspiration for the purpose of self-employment. For the purpose of self-employment. Yeah. So like a here the different people, different goals, different regions, different aspirations, different aspirations. I having a fill the table, the ladies, all these person have that like a same notion of the development or progress. Like a all who are like a from that like a the landless labor to that like a the landless labor to that like a what is a that a goal from that like a rich urban family day. So different persons, different goals. Rural areas, urban areas, but their aspirations are not same way. Their goals also not same to that like each other. Every person goal, every person aspiration different to other, different to other day. So that's why we say the goals are not same to that like a entire that like a people day. Their aspirations are so there. So different goals are that like a different yes aspiration. So here they most likely not there. Each one of them like a says the different things. They seek things that are the most important for them, that which can that like fulfill their aspiration or desires. Every person has to do. What is it? How that like they are looking for that like a better wages that agriculture, landless, labor say, how they are looking that like a better wages say, how that like the rural women also looking that like a what is it? Yes, loan with that like a reasonable rate of the interest say, how that like a what is that urban that goal also there also the goal also yes live like a her brother type guy. How the yeah, yes, our brother also that like going to that like a 9 o'clock PM also there. Go to that like a cinema or like a park also there. Means that parents also they provide that like full freedom to that like a boys, but they are not provided like a full freedom to that like a yes girls. So that's why here and also, some of the parents also they are not encouraged that like a always a yes girls education day. Sometimes they are thinking that after complete that like a yes college also day. For the purpose of education, they go that like a very far of that like a family also day. That's why that urban girls also they are looking. They want go to that like a yes very far of the city for the purpose of to get that like a good education. That is a yes aspiration. They want freedom like their brother's type, like the brother's type. They so in that way, every person they fight they fulfill their aspiration. They run they live their life they to run what is it? Fulfill their demands also they fulfill their aspirations also fulfill their what is it? Yes goals also they okay agriculture they like what is that who are working in that like unorganized sector also they and next one who are the live in that like what is that yes that rich family they different person different goals say so in fact At a time, two persons, a group of person may seek things which are that like a conflict. A law, a girl expected as much of the freedom and opportunities as her brother, and that she shared in that like a household world. Her brother may not like. They similarly to get that like a more electricity industrial may want more dam also there, but this must that like a submerge that land and disrupt the lives of the people who are that like a displaced, such as the tribals. They might the reason this and may just one small check dam or tank to irrigate the land also there. So here the groups also there, or that like a the persons also there, either two persons, either like a two institutions, they fight for that like a fulfill their aspirations. Always they are looking to that like a what is it? First place. Example of that like a telecommunication revolutions. Now today onwards that like a, most of the people also they are that like a yes, the geos. There's a yes lot of changes in telecommunication. They provide when they are compared with like other companies also they fall down there because of that like a yes that Jio also to give that like a more offers facilities. That's why everybody use that like a that company also there. Okay, so here there is a conflict between these groups also there, and also the girls also there who are the living that like a rich family also there. The girl also want that like a freedom. How that like a her brother live like a very happily, independently. They going there anytime, anywhere also there. Like they how the parents they will provide that like a freedom to the yes Sanjay. The girl also looking to that like a what is I freedom. Girl also looking for that what is I freedom Jay. So means we find that like in rural areas there is a variations also Jay. Discrimination. What is that? Discrimination day. Some people they want that like a what is that? Example of that like a agriculture farmers they want more electricity facility for the purpose of to run that like a what is that? Yes, pump sets also jay. They collect the water from that like a ground level jay. Okay, to run that like a what is that motor also with the help of that like a yes electricity there. That's why farmers they are looking to that like a more electricity, and also the industrious person also there. They're looking for more power facilities, more power facilities. Some of that like a some people there, for example, that like the government also to construction that like any dam there any dam jai. For example, that like a that Malavaram dam or that like a, any other also jai. First one they are that like evicted the people from area also jai. Sometime, yes, to cut that like the forest area also jai. To cut the forest areas for the purpose of to construction. What is it? Yes, jam also. There is a problem, say, but actually that is the useful to that like a yes public. That is that like for the purpose of that like a development of that like a nation. But some people they face the problem also. Jay. Example of that like a yes we find that like a in forest areas, tribal people. Jay. Generally they are habited in that like a in forest areas. They are attached there. They are not living to that like other communities. They are not connected with it like other communities. But today and what the some changes but some of that like tribals also completely they separate their culture also language also like a way of living style also different to that like a yes new society completely they are living forest areas. When the government also evicted that like these people they will face that like a yes problems also they are not show the interest evicted that like a place also okay, so there is a yes, the tribal people that is their aspiration. We don't want evict this place also Jai. And also Jai, here they provide that like a one picture also Jai. How do we understand the development in that like I think of that like human history Jai? Like here Jai, first one Jai, the people of Sujay, the earliest people of Sujay, in lower classes also we are that like discussed that. That is sixth class, lower class, that like a early people gathering food and growing food also there. Okay, first one they are hunting that like a animal for the purpose of fulfill that like a yes hungry also. When they become that like a hungry, that they are hunting animals, hunting animals. After some years, thousands of years later, say there is a change. Say what is it? Yes, changes. Say they eat that like a what is it? Yes, cooked food also. Say or roasted food also. Say and also they are living. First one that they are living that like a what is it? Caves. Today onwards also we live in that like a caves also. Say no, Jay. There is a changes after a long time. After a long time, they so like at the time they are eat that like that what is that the flesh of the animals. But today we eat that like a flesh of the animals. No, they we eat that like a cooked food. We eat the cooked food. At the time they are the completely naked person. But today onwards, we are also yes live like a naked. No, we are the user. We wear the different yes colored dresses, beautiful dresses also. We are the beautiful dresses. At the time that like they use that like a different types of the thing, wooden, bone, and that like a stone also. But today we use that like a yes different types of that like a metal things. Today in our daily life also we are use that like a yes things also there. There is a lot of the changes, lot of the changes after he invented that like a wheel also there. After invented that like a wheel also there is a so many changes. They slowly to grow up there, to grow that like agriculture there, crops also there, rear the animals also there, rear the animal. They are that like what is that? Yes, to start that like a zoom cultivation, like a shifting cultivation, podo cultivation there. But today onwards changes completely. Previously, here the people also to lead that like a nomadic life, but today onwards we settle a particular place. We live our life also there. From there only. We are not live the nomadic lifestyle. We are settle in that like a particular place. There is a changes. There is a yeah, changes. At the time, like here, we say that who is that like a developer, the number that like the hunter gathers about that like a 2 lakhs years, the number of years since we began agriculture 12,000 years ago, the number of years since the modern industry 400 years ago. Say, okay, here 2 lakhs to 2 lakhs. What is it? 2 lakhs years ago, hunter gatherers, hunter gatherers. The next one, they begin that like a agriculture 12,000 years ago. Yes, 12,000 years ago, they started. They started agriculture. They started agriculture. What is it? Agriculture. And next one that like about the 400 years ago, 400 years ago, to start industries. What is it? Industries. Changes 2 lakhs at the time. We find it like a hunter gatherers, right? They are that like a hunting. What is it? Animal. Next one, 12,000 years ago, Jay. Started it like agriculture also, Jay. 400 years ago, Jay. You see that like a yes, industries. What is it? Industry. There is a changes. There is a what is it? Yes, changes also we are finding that like a yes society, right? Changes to find out that like a society. Some two things are the quite clear from that above the discussion. Different person can have the different developmental goals. And what may be development for one may not be that like a development for that like a other. It may be even the destructive for that like a other also, right? For example, we constructed that like a one dam in that like in forest areas, right? That is the development for that like a some people, right? But that is that like a was a problem to that like other people who are the living the. Okay, different person, different goals. Some people they get that like a good one. Some people they face that like a what is a yes problems also, right? And also one more important here that in examination level, right? Like if even the idea what constitutes the development can be varied and conflicting, then certainly there can be differences about the ways of developing. The ongoing protest over the Kodamkundalam nuclear power project in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu is one such a conflict. And also, here then, what is the mean? The government of India to set up that like a nuclear power plant in this quite coastal down of Fishes Flock. The aim to generate that like a nuclear power to meet the growing energy need to that like a yes country, right? Okay, Kodamkundalam nuclear project. Kodamkundalam nuclear project. Kodamkundalam, Kodam, Kodan, Kodamkundalam nuclear project, nuclear projects, power project. Constructed, construct at Tirunelveli, Tirunelveli, Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu, Tamil coastal areas and coastal coastal areas. When that like a government also they constructed the, like these Kodam nuclear power plants are project they considered in like a coastal areas, that most of the like a mainly here the losses of that like a, what is a fisherman's completely the losses of fisherman side. So that's why here the local people also that like they don't want the constructed like these projects their areas side. They areas and also this is also one of the like a developmental projects when they constructed that like these nuclear power project at that like a Tirunelveli that coastal areas yes to produce that like a lot of nuclear power also that is to use that like a industries what is industries also but here the aim of that like a generate nuclei meet that growing energy needs of that country. The people in this region have protested the ground of that like a safety securing that like a livelihood along the struggle has that like a ensured. Scientists and environments, the social activities who have been that like a critical of that like a project have stood by that like a people. Let us of protest to that like a government stay. You are unable to that like a unwilling to appreciate that like a nuclear energy. We are confirmated not only with that like a immense power, but also to that like a incredible potential for that like a destruction day. So here, like a, when they are constructed that like a, these one also right, local fisherman is also there. Their losses there, and many environments also, socialist persons also there, and like some of the persons also that like yes, their obligations for the purpose of to construct that like this process. But this is the what is the aim of that like this one to produce that like a nuclear power giant for the development of entire nation. But the local people they are stating they don't want constructed that like a this one because of their yes losses that like a yes life also they. That's why many people they are fight for this one also, but also that like a incredible potential that like a destruction. We want our like a cause and countries protected from that like a radioactive peril. Stop that like a project. Look at that like a renewable energy and alternative. The government has responded that the plan has all the a safe measures and that like a despite the protests going ahead with that like a yes project also there. So here, the government also they, when they are constructed that like this one also there is a some harmful rays also releasing from there only. That is a yes harm to that like a society also there. That is to create some of the problem who are the living surrounding areas also there. Living surrounding area. Yes, recently in Vizag also that yes there is a the gas leak there. Many people they will face that like a what is a it is a yes they will face that like a what is a, some problems also there. Diseases not today and what in future also. That's why here they that the government also they are identify that like a alternatives also Jay. So this is the story Jay that Kodamkundalam nuclear project. People also some of that like a environment is some of the scientists also some of the persons also that like a they are that like a not willing to start this one day. Okay, so the government has responded that the plan has all the safety measures and despite the protests going ahead with that like a project day. So when they are that like a, to give that like a clarity, they yes we follow that like a safety measures. We are not release that like a what is a like a radiation. What is that? Some dangerous radiations also like radioactive peril and also to provide that like good safety and like a good environment also like that they give that like a promise to that like a yes people there. Okay, there is a fight local people and that like a yes government there. So finally government also to take that like a good steps for the construction of nuclear power project in Tamil Nadu there. Okay, next one tomorrow we are discuss about the uh, like income and other goals. Income and other goals.